4 don'ts and 1 do about accessing your money while traveling abroad.
Don't order foreign currency from your bank ahead of time. They'll charge service fees, and money is always easily accessible from local ATMs. Don't use the foreign currency exchange counter at the airport. They'll also charge service fees or give you a really poor exchange rate. Don't forget to check with your bank on their process for foreign ATM withdrawals. Many charge a 1% fee to do the conversion, which actually isn't bad and leads me to the next and most important don't. Don't accept a foreign ATM's offer to convert it for you. Some foreign ATMs are notorious for misleading tourists into accepting their conversion, which is really just a 10 to 15% markup. Your own bank should do the conversion using that day's actual rate, but might charge you a small percentage, such as the 1% fee I mentioned in the last tip. So we always choose decline conversion. All that being said, do try and use a credit card when possible. Many places accept cards, and there are tons of credit cards that offer 0% foreign conversion fees, meaning your credit card company will convert it using that day's actual rate free of charge. This is the best way to not waste money on foreign conversion fees. And while we're on the topic of saving money, we highly recommend using Skyscanner. It's our go-to travel booking site for flights, hotels, and cars. Happy travels!